Assalamu alaikum everyone, peace be upon you all. Welcome back to my channel, Hyderabadi Cook in Canada. Today we'll be making Hyderabadi Haleem. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of crushed wheat, 3 tablespoons of black lentils, 3 tablespoons of yellow split lentils, 3 tablespoons of red lentils, half a cup of pot barley, 3 tablespoons of split chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half a tablespoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. 1 pack of any Haleem masala of your choice, 1 tablespoon of Thai zira, 15 cardamom pods, a few cloves, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon sticks, a fistful of mint leaves, a fistful of coriander leaves, and about 7 green chilies, 3 sliced onions, half a cup of cashews, and half a kg of beef. To a bowl, add the crushed wheat and the lentils. Soak it in 2 glasses of water for at least half an hour. After the lentils are soaked in water for at least half an hour, drain the water and put it in a pressure cooker. With the lentils, add 2 glasses of water into the pressure cooker. Add the coriander, green chilies, and the mint to the pressure cooker. Next, add the meat to the pressure cooker. Add turmeric. Put the pressure cooker on the stove on medium heat. Cook for about 30 minutes. After half an hour, it should look like this. Make sure the meat is cooked well and is tender. Next, take the meat out and put it in a separate bowl. Grind all the lentils. It should look like this. After the meat is separated, it should look like this. Add the meat to the lentils. Mix it all together. Next, grind the spices. Next, to a pan on medium heat, add oil and fry onions. Fry the onions until golden brown and set aside for later. In a separate pan, fry the cashews. Next, to a pan on low heat, add ginger garlic paste, salt, and red chili powder. Mix it all together. Add the ground up spices to the oil. Then add a little bit of Haleem masala. Now add the meat and lentils mixture into the oil. After a few minutes, it should look like this. Cover and cook the Haleem on medium-low heat for about 15 minutes. Once the Haleem is done cooking for about 15 minutes, take it out and put it in a serving bowl. Garnish it with cashews and the fried onions, and add some chopped coriander over the top as well. This dish is super delicious. Hope you guys try it out. Please leave suggestions down below on what you would like to see on our channel next. We love to hear it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!